Hi, and welcome to Real Talk English in Español. I'm Chris, and I'm really glad you're here. On this channel, you'll learn English and Spanish through real conversations, the way people actually speak in everyday life. If you enjoy learning in a natural and relaxed way, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're talking about something very common and sometimes a little uncomfortable when speaking English.
Hi everyone, I'm Sofía, and yes, today's topic is something we all get asked.
Exactly. Today's episode is called What Do You Do? Talking about your job in English.
This question sounds simple, but for many English learners, it can feel stressful.
You might think, what should I say? How much should I explain? What if my job is hard to describe?
Or maybe you're a student, or between jobs, or doing many things at the same time.
The good news is you don't need perfect English. You just need simple, clear sentences.
And today, we'll show you exactly how to do that.
In English-speaking countries, what you do is very common small talk.
It doesn't mean people want your full resume.
Right. It's usually just a friendly way to get to know you.
It's like asking, who are you? What is your daily life like?
So don't panic when you hear this question.
And remember, short answers are totally okay.
Let's start with the most common ways people ask about work. Slow and clear. What do you do? What do you do for work? What do you do for a living?
These all mean the same thing.
Now, let's look at simple answers. A very common and clear answer is, I work as a say. Examples, I work as a teacher, I work as a nurse, I work as a designer.
Let's say it together. Pause. I work as a...
If your job title is difficult, use I work in. Examples, I work in marketing, I work in IT, I work in education, I work in finance.
This is very useful if you don't know the exact job word in English. For example, I can say, I work in education. I help people learn languages.
Perfect, simple and clear. Now let's talk about students.
Many listeners are students, and that's great.
You can say, I'm a student. I'm studying. Examples, I'm studying English, and I'm studying business, and I'm studying engineering.
Or you can say, I'm currently studying.
Currently means now. At this time, native speakers use this phrase a lot. I'm currently. Examples, I'm currently working in a small company. I'm currently looking for a job. I'm currently studying English.
This is very helpful if your situation is temporary.
And it sounds very natural. In casual situations, short answers are perfect. Casual, I work in marketing. I'm a student. I work as a barista.
No pressure, no long explanations.
In professional situations, you can add one extra sentence. Professional, I work as a project manager. I manage small teams.
Still simple, just a little more detail.
Now, let's practice together. Slow, pause after each. I work as a pause. I work in pause. I'm currently pause.
Great job. Don't worry about mistakes.
Let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake 1, saying nothing because you're nervous.
I used to do that too.
Mistake 2, trying to explain everything.
Short is better.
Mistake 3, thinking your job is not interesting.
Every job is okay. Every story is valid.
Here's a simple structure you can always use. I work as / I work in. I'm currently optional.
That's it. Simple, clear, natural. If you feel shy, that's normal.
Confidence comes with practice, not perfection.
Every time you answer this question, you get better.
Thank you so much for listening.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like it and subscribe to the channel.
In the next episode, we'll talk about how to talk about your hobbies and free time in English.
Thank you so much for listening to Real Talk English en Español. We really appreciate you being here and learning with us. Remember, learning a language takes time, so be patient with yourself and keep practicing. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future lessons. We have many more conversations and practical lessons coming your way. See you next time. And keep speaking with confidence.